Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.
Balei phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam takasngi. Ka KSU nongmen song unit kilapan pau shika sorkar lingba katnat pinmi boarding ya ka jingkiu ka belain kinong shongwai ki basyong basa ha basic urban poor BS UP complex nongmen song ki bahab apo ka below poverty line. U president ka KSU nongmen song uba ji potmi haba yakran shikilat pathai khubor hadin balawan yakendu ya menteri katnat power u 80 mandal menta kasngi ka khatsan trik unai tung arhajar arpsan ka jingkiu sendat ka bailait bat ka jingkaliang mita ka sarkar ye kinong shongwai ki basyong basa ha BSUP complex nong mensong u president u yathu nadu bawanbu da u prepaid mita ka belait ka poi ndrup san tingka wat hadu shispa san phau tingka bat kinong shongwai ki jusiu san spa tingka ne ndrus pa tingka ha ka arbnai kapoi ha ka shisngi da khenya kata ka shisngi ha ka shibnai kapoi da ki ar hajar lane lai hajar bat ka ne ka bu jing e yakinong shongwai basa ha ka te ka BSUP complex namar ki wan na kalong ying badung bakerdo ki bakamai minstep bam da mien Shushu ula pentim ki basa wai ha ka te ka complex ki siu ya ka bai wai khandai spa tingka balada ka belait ka poi ar hajar lai hajar tingka kata kalong ka bam ya ham bat na kaliang ka KSU nong mensong unit company yang ya kani kat ba na kaliang menteri katnat ka seiso ka jing yakran bat ka seng KSU bat menteri ula kular ban shimkhiai kani ka kam habaya dei ba kani ka jingkiu ka belait jongkinong shongwai ha BSUP complex nong mensong
Daga jengkulu jengi bentar sini i abu tahir mandal ibadai in charge Mr. in charge jangka power department kalau ba habai dai bat ka isu ka ba sa lagi senam ka bidai bat ka jingkeliang jangka sarkar ya u meter mah ya u ningkong kibu da u prepaid da u postpaid meter bat hadin katu kan bat kila-kiliang no sa smart prepaid meter di knit machine yathu yakane kalong ba ningkong ki nongsong wai ba song ti po kayeng buda ki sat siu yak belait tak ka kumba san spa nen do spa taru hak arna te mendapat nadu ba kiliang yune smart prepaid meter ka jingsiu kalong kumba sin reposan lingga nyu posan lingga tingtang kepoi ki spa nek spa sampo diga hak hisni kata mo hak hisni and plus but kami tercharge kat kadai san lingga hak hisni pi lada larangi kenya kata kan repo lingga nyu po lingga his hak hisni la kenya hak lai pos yang sibnai la poi daki al hajar plus but tu bai meter charge ka long sibnai ka long spa sampo de koro itip yakta bagi nong songwai te ha ka ying muda de ki brio ki long yeng ki wan naga long yeng ki baduk badna yang nyot jengkot bat ki brio ngilam ong ba ki ba train meski ba bang demit de ke jing ba ki jing ba ki nong songwai ki wan ban ut ban nam sngi kalong ke sha ka ba na ka ba sukta sha mar ba haba khadu ngitip sha ya kata ba ka bayang teru ka bagi siu kan dei kandai spa si benamo si siu yak muda kandai spa si nak talong bayang bat ka bai lai pat kan poi ha du lai hajar ka si benai ta na kaliang juga lagi melak piang ya ta yim tep ya ke jembut ka sarkar ka kaliang ya ni mita yim tep ke ya orang ke jitmu sendar melak tep ya ta te nak kaliang jengi bila ya kenduk info mister bat kajing kenduk jengi kalau pas esok te imai la kelar ba in tek ya ya ni isu bat bila kan do pasai ni ba bila orang ba in support ya review meeting pasai ben saya ra ya ni ga isu te tamatai te nak kaliang kaseng lu i perjor yang jingle juga MSL marba ke jingle toti bat ke jingle kom kislap ya ki produk personal ni bosong basawa ke kolong ke gumla pediang marba ke jingle juki klam kena tes sha kinong songwai tu klam kena tes sha ka snong klam kena tes ya ka society ke badan tu is let dan buat baik bat ke jingle ngok bat kolong ba kuno ba pi le ya kali klam nak kena ka jipitep ne jipitep ne kena tes syak bersama itu de kajing kini ke bang ibu Ahmad jong uliu minister tolong ba atu ka sarkar ka yurat ne tu ka sarkar ka dan ke kajing tu ke ba pile ya ne kambat ke ba tolong ba atu beli badan kam ban charge sak ba meter sanka sisni bat kepala kelomba keputusan kelomba ladap sarkar buat eksperimen yang new smart prepaid meter boleh ke sarkar kam install lagi mahaman lagi office sarkar haman lagi ki koloni kiba de jong sarkar hagi al koloni hagi daro lain hagi panjibilan nyete beli piwan nyon tang hani ha tangi ki parado senam jongi te ka keruak ke besar na kaliang lingi la pau bat nak buruk kemat jindawa nak yang seng bat tingkat nak kaliang kinong songwain tu kolong ba ban benok mardo dia ni smart prepaid meter bat ban book yang tu bareng du postpaid meter kan
kerja jepim no
ya yang kata man bai ong ba ki ong ni minister ong ba ini kisi ban Asia in lek sebuah ti dah in sport ini dalam ada libat sampai libat
kan dosi pi
si tayo yang takwan pan ko Delhi dari sampai yang itu
kerja jepi
jadinya
jad
buat mi
regarding the over electricity billing in BASUP complex in Longmingshan. So I assured them I will look into the matter. So we will go through this and find out exactly what is happening there. I have assured them. All those things they have raised to me. I'm going to have a review on this. Let me see how things are there. Things are there. Let me find out exactly how things are there.
so complaints with smart meter, I mean like high billing in smart meter is not a new one. So are you going to review the entire smart metering system, like how
See, a smart meter is being mandated by Ministry of Power, and all the states are implementing smart meters. Accordingly, we need to also implement a smart meter. The question of overbilling will be looked into, and if needed, we can have 2 meters put side by side to see exactly how the difference is coming. So these issues will be looked into. I got to get all the details, then I can get back to you. Actually, the KSU student unions, they have come and met me, gave a representation also, raising issues of overbilling in BASUP housing complex at Longmingshan. I told them that I will look into the matter, find out whatever grievances they have put forward. I will look into all those grievances.
and any time period?
My CMD and director both are out of station. They have gone to attend some meeting in Delhi. The moment they are back, we will be discussing. This week I am also going out for NERPC meeting, the Northeast Regional Power Committee's meeting. So basically this week I will be also out of station. So next week we will try to resolve the issue.
And the
Smart meter has been installed many places, not only that there it is placed.
Give an example of horizon colony, why it is not put.
Which horizon column?
They are asking if it is for all the local.
No, everywhere it will go slowly. Wherever the consumer's connection is there, everywhere will cover. We cannot cover all 6 lakhs consumers in a day or so. It will be covered phase-wise everywhere.
It's like don't.
There are lots of problems, including wrong billing, including suppressed billing, including not the billing going on time to the consumers, then accumulating the bills. All these issues are taken care of by smart meters. It is helping the distribution utility. That's why it is not only in Meghalaya, but entire country it has been mandated now. Everybody is implementing it.